Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through a little bit of maintenance when it comes to the Panasonic Multicooker. We've got it here, it's the NF GM600. Everything we're going to talk about in this video also relates to the GM400. We'll even talk about the difference between those two models. But the first thing I want you to be aware of when it comes to cleaning your multicooker is please make sure it is unplugged and it is sufficiently cooled down before you attempt to clean it. Really important, obvious safety fact, but people don't always follow it. So let's get on to the good news. And the good news is that all the accessories that come with our multicooker, barring the lid here, which we're going to talk about in a bit, are dishwasher proof. So all 6 accessories you get in the GM600 model and all 4 accessories in the GM400 model, that by the way is the difference between the two, are dishwasher safe. So you can put them straight in the dishwasher after you've used them. We always recommend that, get them nice and clean straight away to avoid any grime or oil or bits of food that can get caked on. Makes it all the more difficult to get that off. If you find you have got some caked on bits of food there, you can use a rough sponge or a scouring pad and soapy water to get rid of that. Cool, so that is the accessories. One more piece I wanted to talk about, and that is this little extractor fan cover here. This, very handily, is also dishwasher safe. Notoriously, these little extractor fan covers do suffer from a build-up of oil and condensation over time, just like all extractor fans do, because they're taking away that moisture in the air from the food that's cooking. You can get oil, you can get little tiny bits of food and moisture trapped there, but this cover is dishwasher safe. Pop it straight in the dishwasher and that will come out lovely and clean. So that's the bits that are dishwasher safe. Let's talk about the main body of the multicooker. This obviously isn't dishwasher safe, so please don't be tempted to put it in a dishwasher or in fact run water over it at all. What we recommend is actually wipe it down with a mildly damp cloth, so a well wrung soft cloth, and you can go around there, the edge of the heat plate there, to clear away any debris. It's usually crumbs that fall through onto the base of the multicooker, so do be aware that you can just get away all those bits and pieces. And again, we do recommend you do that after every time you cook, and always make sure it's turned off, obviously. With the lid, similar in fact to the extractor fan cover, it's often inside the lid that suffers from that oil build-up or condensation, and again you can use a well-wrung damp cloth to go around and wipe away any dirt that's built up there. Once you've wiped the lid and the main body, make sure you dry them both thoroughly and quickly. Don't be tempted to let them air dry, just get rid of all that moisture straight away. It makes it all the better. So that's pretty much it when it comes to cleaning your multicooker. It's such an important aspect of owning a Panasonic multicooker. Really good cleaning and maintenance prolongs the life of your product, but not only that, it prolongs the quality of produce that this product can produce as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.